Shallots are an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Garlic can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. Parsley is rich in vitamins and minerals. Cilantro can help improve digestion. Jalapeno are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. Jalapeno help boost the immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. Chimichurri can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It's also a great source of antioxidants and can help improve digestion. Cauliflower is low in calories and high in fiber, making it great for weight loss. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, and can help reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease.